Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. This is their newest launch, and I'm going to be showing you guys how it applies, going over what the formula is like, what the brush is like, the whole shebang. So if you're interested in this product right here, then keep on watching. This is, as I said, their Rise Mascara. It's supposed to lift, lengthen, and add volume. It has 93% natural formula with vegan lash wrap technology that curls and lengthens for weightless volume. It has Manoi oil and marigold extract to help condition and strengthen the lashes as well. Milk Makeup is known for typically very clean formulas, and I actually honestly haven't tried a whole lot from Milk Makeup, so I'm very excited to be testing this baby right here. So this is the actual packaging. The outside's almost like rubbery, and it has like a ribbed texture to it, and it feels very like silicone-y, kind of rubbery. And then it obviously has the name and logo. So this is the actual brush. It is a curved applicator, and it has a pretty dense bristled brush. I actually really like the look of it. It looks nice. It looks not too chunky. The curved lash lift brush fits natural curve of lashes from the root. So it's supposed to really, go with the curve of the natural lash. And it has wavy bristles that coat every lash for gravity-defying lift and volume. So let's go ahead and see what this baby does. And as you can tell, I'm skipping eyeshadow today as I'm going for a more natural look. But I also like to do that when I test mascaras because you really see the effect, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you this eye so you can see with mascara and without. So as you can see, they look voluminous without looking chunky. They almost have like a wispy look to them, and it really gives a nice like fanned out. So let's go ahead and see this side, and then we'll do a second layer. Yeah, I like that. Gives pretty decent length, good volume, it does lift, and I just like the way that they look. Like I said, they almost have like this wispy look to them. Let's go ahead and see what the second coat looks like. So I'm really impressed. I feel like it's really making my eyes pop. I like the way that my lashes are looking. And I stand by the things I've said so far.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.